I am so excited for this video because I am sharing with you an exciting announcement and a little bit of a peek of what's to come. We bought a house. And if you've been following along on Instagram, you will have seen that, and you will have seen that we dove headfirst into renovations of the home. So today what I want to show you is the before photos of the house and tell you a little bit about what our plans are for the place, just to let you in on the process. One of the things that I am going to be doing that I'm really excited about is I've been recording snippets of our renovation to share with you guys, just some updates to kind of let you hang out and be a part of the process with us. So this is the before of the house. We want to renovate it from top to bottom. We did that with our last home. We bought our last home when our twins were just little babies. They were just starting to crawl, and we renovated it for 3 months before we moved in, and then we continued to renovate it the whole time that we lived there. And in that time, we really loved the house. We made it something that we loved being in, but we outgrew it. We doubled our family size. We now have 4 kids, age 4 and under, and the 1 bathroom in that house was just not cutting it. So we are so excited that we bought this new place. We not only have a main bathroom and a tiny little ensuite, but there is a roughed bathroom in downstairs, so hopefully in the next couple of years we will be a 3-bathroom house from a 1-bathroom house, and that is such a good feeling. So because we dove headfirst into renovations as soon as we moved in, I really didn't get the greatest before photos, and I definitely didn't get before video because we are in the middle of the renovation right now, which is why the only background you've got today is a blank wall. So this video is going to be some photos and some Instagram stories, and I'm just going to put them together and share a little bit with you guys. And I promise from here on out, I have been taking real footage so I can have some better videos of the updates for you guys. The first update that you're going to see is our kitchen renovation, an update on how that's going. It's actually looking so good. I'm hoping to film that today and share that with you pretty soon. Let's get started. All right, so we're starting the tour in the backyard, which is a little bit of a strange place to do it, but I'm gonna give you a quick tour. So this is the backyard. We've got kind of like a multi-level patio over here. So we're gonna have to level out that wood one there so we can actually put a table there, but that's a next year project. The deck up there is beautiful view, but too small to actually put any table or chairs on, or even our sofa is way too big for there. So that window over there is going to be our office, hopefully one day, and the French doors right now lead straight into the basement. This basement is going to be our TV room, the kids' playroom, just kind of a multi-purpose room. So we're going to put the TV and sofa there, and then the kids are going to play on that other side of the room. You'll see beside the French doors, we've got this freaky fireplace. It needs to be finished, obviously, but beside it is this nice space here that they've put like pegboard over. So we need to open that up as a doorway into what will be the office. And then around here, for the first time ever, we will have a guest room, yay! And behind curtain number 1 is going to be a bathroom one day, eventually, when we get there. This room needs work. It's got holes in the wall, no trim, and another room that needs work is our laundry room. We are gonna take that carpet up ASAP. And I love the size of this room. I'm excited for what it's gonna look like once it's all finished. I'm dreaming. And then we also have a scary under garage floor room that is full of dirt. We're not gonna look at that. This one here is currently a storage room, but this is going to be split into a storage room right here. And then on the other side is going to be my office / studio space. So this side is going to be the office. Then on the other side of the wall here, we're hoping to open it up a little bit more, is going to be my studio space. And if we can, we want to be able to put French doors into the backyard here as well, so the kids can kind of play outside while I work. And I just think that will be really wonderful. I'm so excited for this, but it's not a right away project. All right, upstairs, this is our current kitchen. It's got this weird little dining nook space to the side, but it's too small for a table really. So this is our first project, but as you can see, there's a fireplace there, all that brick. So we can't open it up to the living room. So we've got a fun plan for that I posted on the blog. I'll put a link to that as well. But basically, we're moving the kitchen to right here, which is our current dining room. So it has this view from the sink window, and then we're gonna flip the dining room to the other side of the house there. And I'm so excited about it, you guys. This way we don't have to take down that brick fireplace, we still get to keep it, and oh, we're gonna earn back all that space that is in that weird little breakfast nook at the end there. Okay, the entryway is a bit of a challenge. It is super small and we can't take out that closet. And there's not much space to really expand it in any way with the stairs there. So I'm gonna need all the tips and tricks to make an entryway like this work really hard for us. And this is the living room, but it was really noisy, so I didn't record more than this for you. The boys' room and our daughter's room both have valances, so we're gonna be taking those out, but they're a really good size room. We're gonna be able to fit 3 beds in here, no problem. All right, so Aubrey's bedroom, we're gonna be moving the window to the other wall because we're closing in the carport, which her current window goes into, to make a garage. And so we're gonna have the bed under the window, but the window is not going to be centered because that's where our meter is. So send me all the inspiration for off-center windows over top of beds. Okay, the bathroom here, totally functional, not the most beautiful. We'll get to it eventually, but we do need to seal the tile because it's leaking. So that's like a future year's project to make over that room. Our bedroom, I've got my beautiful model here. We are going dark. We're gonna go really bold. I'm excited to paint this out black because I am not the biggest fan of these beachy stripes. The other thing in that bedroom that I have been noticing is that these lights are centered for a queen bed, not a king bed, so we have to push the bed over to reach the light switch, and then the lights are off center. So that's something that we're going to have to change, but for now, it totally works. And then we also have a ensuite. So in our last house, we had 1 bathroom, you guys, and I am so excited to have more than 1 bathroom, and an ensuite is pretty sweet, even though it's tiny and it has really, really nice forest green floors. These tiles are something else. So I'm excited to tackle this space, but again, that's not a this year project, that's a down the road project. Also, this closet, completely not functional. We are working on that because we can't even store our stuff in here. It's crazy, you guys. All right, last but not least, this view. This is what sold the house for us. We are just so in love with this view. And here's a picture of it. We get this view. We get this kind of beautiful haziness every single evening. I just love it so much. I could watch it every day. Before I sign off, here's some pictures of the exterior of the house. I didn't take any videos of it because we've got moving trucks and we have our realtor and we have all these cars here. It's kind of not wowing, you know. We are going to make it over next year. Our plan is to be working outside all next summer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing a little peek of our house and the projects and ideas that we have to come. If you did like it, I would love if you gave it a thumbs up below and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIY, home decor, or renovation videos. We'll see you next time.